Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rushay. If it's your first time here, I want to thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate the support. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's not a tutorial. It's actually really fun in my head, and I hope that somebody out there finds it fun as well. So from my last video, I said I had a video coming that I know my ladies are going to enjoy, but I think men can watch this too and they'll enjoy it because these are gift ideas you can get for your girlfriend, your mother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie. Today's video is gonna be all about perfumes. I don't know about you, but if I'm gonna buy a perfume online, I'm gonna watch YouTube reviews, I'm gonna read the reviews on the website. I don't want to say I have an obsession with fragrances, but I really do love fragrances, whether it's lotion or perfumes or body mist, you know, like colognes. I really love them, and so I do a lot of research before actually purchasing the product. So I buy my perfumes from two websites. It's either fragrance.net or perfume.com. I was actually gonna Google to see if it's .net or .com, but it's fragrance or perfume something. You can Google it. So let's get right into the video. So the plan is to show, I was gonna show you from my favorite to my least preferred perfume, but just because it's so hard to really decide which one of them I love the most, I'm just gonna do it in no particular order. However, I do have two empty bottles that are for sure my favorite scents ever, or based on what I've smelled before. I'm pretty sure there are other perfumes out there that I haven't tried, and I'm really open to trying them. So you can comment below and let me know some perfumes that you know will smell good. Yeah. So I believe that when you're a woman, you need to start smelling like a woman. You need to start wearing more mature scents. There's nothing wrong with body splashes. I have a ton, but body splash for me is to wear to work because it's not too loud and not too offensive. You know, in a formal setting like work or a job interview, you don't want your perfume to do the talking. You want to impress them. Otherwise, if it's an informal event, whether a party, dance, we have a shower, I don't know, somewhere somebody invite you, then come out with your perfume then. And perfume is for the good girl them because they're not cheap. Them not cheap, as we say, nobody splash. So this is something you have to be willing to spend your money on. You can buy them one at a time and build up on a perfume collection. But perfumes are for when you're going out, you know, you dress nice, you know, you want to smell nice as well. Okay, so how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go through 5 that I have that I recommend and 2 that are my favorite. And the bottles are empty. You know, I just find it hard to let go of the empty bottle them. I mean, no, if you're not a girl, if you not want empty bottle of perfume on your dresser, I'm gonna ask who done perfume and dash it to instantly. Me don't know who do that. Nobody don't do that. And you can't come tell me. So my top 2 scents in this world that I've smelled so far. So one of them is Giorgio Armani C. This is C Original. I believe the website has C Intense, which is kind of red, I think. You can check them out, but I bought the C Original because I was buying it online. I never want to go intense, and if I don't like the scent, I spend more money on something that I don't like because the intense is more expensive. It is hands down my favorite perfume ever. I love it so much. It makes you feel girly and sexy. It lasts all day. Let's get that out there, because you know some perfume, the longevity not really did it. It just goes like it fades away really quickly. This is gonna be on you for the entire day. I promise you. If you take off your clothes, you go back and smell it, it's still in your clothes. If you got a boy yard and you lie down on him pillow, when you got in your yard, you're still damn house. Yeah, this, you're welcome. The second one on my list is Olympia, and this is also Olympia Original for the same reason. I never want to buy the next flavor, I never like the scent. But this is a definite purchase. I love the sea more, but this comes very close to my favorite. It's really nice. it's probably not a scent for everybody. I can say that it can be very loud, meaning offensive. Like you're probably gonna be beside of somebody and it backs them down. So if you're not like, if you don't like strong scents, you travel with sinus, then somebody you probably would not want to purchase this perfume. But otherwise, girl, Aditya collection, it's really good. And yeah, some refuse for that show the empty bottle. As you can see, not none of them. I use them, done. Love them. So the others I'm gonna go through in no particular order. I'm just gonna pick them up, show you them, talk about them little. Yeah, but just know the good things them, and I can recommend them to you. But to know the details of them, you're gonna have to do some research on your own. So let's call those two, the first two. Now we're at the third perfume. This perfume is Gucci Bamboo. Actually, I remember me and my friend sitting in the room and we're like, you know, you keep searching for your scent, like, you know, you want that one staple scent where everybody knows say, yeah, I Rushay that. I smell Rushay, you know. And we were looking through the site and we said, we want to try some of these, yada. And Gucci Bamboo was one of them we looked at, and I think we did free for bite, so we did not purchase it at that time. But I got it, and first of all, you see if you spray two of this, you don't need no more perfume. I'm not be extra. It is strong. It smells good. It smells really good, but it's not a feminine scent. If you like lavender or rosy, kind of girly smelling perfumes, this is definitely not for you. This is not a perfume you can mix with other fragrances. Like if you're gonna put on this, you're gonna put on it alone. Other perfumes you can mix. Well, I mix my perfume sometimes. Yeah, them don't want to mix it because it can easily smell bad if you mix it with other perfumes. Facts. The next fragrance is Fancy by Jessica Simpson. So this perfume, it comes as a body splash. I don't know if you ever see the little, I think it's a white bottle. So if you've ever smelled that one, this smells exactly like the body splash. It's probably stronger because you know it's a perfume, but it's really girly, it's fresh, but it's not too strong. So I think it's a really sweet perfume where anyone could wear, honestly. And this is something you could get away with wearing to a formal setting. Like you can wear this to work. It's not too loud where, you know, but it definitely smells good. It smells good. It smells like strawberries. And my next fragrance is gonna be this Versace Euros. I don't know. My thing says a cologne, you know. I don't know if a perfume or cologne. Okay, this is a staple scent. This can be your scent. You know, like it smells good. Like you don't need much. You just sprups. First of all, me not sprups. Me just a say, you know, like, and you're good. But I don't know how to describe the scent. I don't know what to compare it to. It just smells like a nice, strong perfume. It lasts. So if you don't like strong scent, this is probably not another one for you. But it smells good and you're not gonna regret buying it. Like it smells so good. This, I think men can wear this as well. I really don't know if it's a cologne, but because of how strong it is, I think men can wear it, and it does not smell feminine. It's definitely something that I think anybody could wear if they like strong scents. So yeah, so this other one I got as a gift actually, and it can easily be my third favorite perfume ever. I love it. Like people are gonna keep asking what you're wearing, you know, like where you buy it. This brings a lot of attention. I have no idea where he bought it. I don't know how much he paid for. I never asked the question, but just know me get the gift. I like it. It smells good. Yeah, so I definitely recommend it. I don't know if it's an affordable fragrance, but you can definitely check the website to see how much it costs. But it smells really good, and it's probably one of the strongest out of all these scents. It's really long lasting, and as I said, you're gonna get a ton of questions when you wear this perfume. and the bottle itself isn't this just the sexiest thing ever? Like, who does this? What? With the little bodies. Whoa, it's so cute. Like, it's really cute. Like, it's like I don't want it done either. I really like it. So the seventh and last perfume for this review is gonna be the Marc Jacobs Decadence. This is what it looks like. I don't know where the excitement up here so far, like on purse, but sis, the perfume when the thing probably I said one of them smell good, this smell good, but them smell good, like they smell so good. They know what to tell them, but telling them say it smell good. And the bottle pretty. This is actually the lid, actually, like it's the lid. It smells good, the bottle pretty, I'm full of excitement. I think it's worth the purchase. It's also strong, but it has a really nice scent to it. So that concludes this perfume review. I definitely recommend all 7 of them to you. Based on what I said, it's up to you to choose one depending on your preference, whether you like a feminine scent or a stronger scent. But me like all scents. Well, it have to smell good. I have a couple perfume for my dresser now that I've never used. I smell it one time, it's there for souvenir. Like, some perfumes just really smell awful. Yeah, so if you do end up purchasing any of these, let me know how you feel about the scents. You think me do what I tell lie? No girl, let me smell good. Me and the flyer. You can't leave me alone. Also, you can comment your recommendations below. Trust me, if it does come down to it, I'll purchase the perfume and I'll try it. There was one time I was so tempted to buy a $300 perfume, but then I say, these are a little pricey, but I think for perfumes and good brand at that, I don't know, thank you brand, I think it's worth the price. And if you tried them already, let me know how you feel in the comment section. So if you've gotten this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and share, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at RushayJ_. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I'm looking forward to filming a lot more fun videos for you guys. So please let me know whatever video ideas you have. I'll definitely go ahead and try some of them, you know, if they are not too crazy. I will try it, like, just let me know. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I want some slim girl.